the machine used for high-efficiency marking punching, and drilling on the connecting plates which used widely in bridge, angle steel and steel structure industries, etc. The machine frame is made by C-open type steel plate welding, with good rigidity and big handling space. There are totally 2 sets of hydraulic clamps for clamping the steel plates on the worktable. Clamping system can be adapted to different workpiece, with reference block, and workpiece supported by rolling ball working table, X and Y axis action controlled by servo motor, and ball screw driving and PLC, control the position of punching. To make the machine running automatically, the program just input to the PLC, can work on the workpiece directly.